In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a chest fly, but with one of these looped elastic resistance bands. Now, by no means am I saying that this is a better alternative to do a chest fly, but if you've got a resistance band, you're looking for chest exercises or to mimic the chest fly because you don't have dumbbells or a cable, this is how I would instruct one of my clients to do it. So firstly, there's two things I want you to do. One of which is to find a fixed resistance object, so something that's not going to move as you do the exercise. So for example, I've got a leg press machine here. And what I also want you to do is loop the band around something that is of chest height. So for me, I know that this is chest height for me, and I can loop the band around like so. You want to make sure you've got the band even on both sides because you're going to start facing away from whatever you've suspended the band to. From here, my arms are almost straight. There's what I call a slight bend in the elbow, which is a soft elbow. And what I'm going to do is make sure I'm looking up, chest up high. And as I come in, breathing in, big squeeze of the chest, and slowly back, breathing out. And again, I'm coming to chest height as I come in. So you should be able to look at your hands at this point. See, one, the wrists are nice and straight, soft bend in the elbow, and of course your hands should always be in line with your chest when doing a chest fly. So think of nipple line in terms of the height that your hands are going to be at. From here, once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you're going to come back under control, release the tension, and come out of the exercise.